I would die for you. Aww.
I cast it out as far as I possibly could there.
Right? Like as far out there?
As far as I possibly could. Oh,
It's waterproof, you're okay.
Open my...
Papa, s'il te plaît, sens mon nouveau parfum.
Давай, давай, в микрофон пари.
Yeah, keep it straight now. Nice and steady.
That was
close.
Colour, because I feel like I've got enough white. Well, I've only got houses in white, but I just felt like going against it. Yeah.
That's why I'm using myself, not to the camera.
Are you sober now?
No, yeah. I'm never, but I'll turn it. Эй, Тюбик, ты долбоёб, блядь, я чего? Разрезал. Кстати, какой? Лучше стал.
It's Spider-Man! It's Spider-Man!
Why? Why must you do this? Redneck self-enjoyment right here.
What would you do if we were standing in line somewhere and there was a girl in front of us with a really big butt and super tight leggings on?
Right there?
Yeah, just right in front of us.
I'm right here. Our eyes, you, me, that pillow.
What?
Our eyes right here. Just look at me. Just you and me, baby.
He looks like King Kong.
Cupcake on a fork. It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
So hopefully we don't fall out.
Yeah, you'll be backwards by the time you get to the bottom. You already gone back.
Hey, bro, yo, you get it, yeah, let's go.
Yo, what the?
Bro. Happy birthday to you. Daniel.
Share this audio with the last video of your pet.
Hold on, watch Mr. Theo Martin. Holy cow!
Guys, I found my old Xbox 360 keyboard.
Rick, help her! Stop it!
You guys all just sit there and watch her.